Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to give away my personal opinion and market analysis on a particular segment and a particular stock based on a news came out in medias. So recently, the Sachin Tendulkar, our cricketer, made an investment of 2 million USD, 2 million American dollars in a particular company which is developing online games. The name of the company is Jet Synthesis. He made 2 million USD. So this makes a sense, this makes a vision, this makes an idea to capture certain stocks for investment. While looking into the market, I come across one particular stock which is suitable for investment based on this news. Before going to the details about the stocks related to this news, not directly related, this is my vision, stock related to the impact maybe on a particular segment. I would like to express few points about the super funds. We have two kinds of super funds. One is super funds option, in which we give penny stocks in equity for long term wealth making, and penny option trading for stock option with the entry and target in live market. And of course we give momentum trading with low budget, say about 500 rupees to 2500 rupees to take one lot in stock option with the entry and target in live market. The subscription to join superfans option is 7999 per month. Same way we give another trading tips group in WhatsApp named Superfans Equity. Superfans Equity, though it is meant for those who do not want to take any risk at all. For them, we give highly speculative moving stocks in equity with entry and target in live market. And also, we give investment based calls, that is nothing but investing in a stock for few days holding, few weeks holding, rarely of rare, few months holding to report maximum profit. Of course, there are some penny stocks in equity for long term wealth making will also be given in this group. So, avail subscription to join this group is also 7999 per month. You can remit the subscription for a superfan option or superfan equity by Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm or Amazon Pay to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Now we go to the video video to make an analysis or impact, whatever you call, on this news. Sachin Tendulkar, a famous cricketer of our country, invested 2 million USD in Jet Synthesis, which is a company developing online games. So, after going through this news, I searched if there is any stocks available at NSE relating to online gaming activity. So, I found that one particular script, which is one particular company which is developing online games. The name of the company is Delta Corporation. While looking at this Delta Corporation in yesterday itself, it made a gain of 5 rupees on intraday basis. So this Delta Corporation had a year high around 202 rupees, and it is trading around 182 rupees, and recently when I noticed it. So one can consider this Delta Corporation for investment basis. Also one can find out if there is any companies having activities related to supporting to online gaming development. Such kind of cognitive activities in any startup which is listed in at NSE, they can consider such stocks for long term investment. So if possible, I will put another video mentioning name of the stocks of companies which are relating to online gaming activities. So this can be a news. We can make use of our investment. See, here I am not recommending the Delta Corporation for you. This is my personal view and personal analysis. If at all you want, you can have this stock Delta Corporation on your watch list. Then you can track the stock. If you are interested, you can go along with this stock. So this is not a tradable stock. This is a stock for a seasonal and long-term investment. So I request you to join Bull Street Superfans option or Bull Street Superfans equity. The subscription to join Bull Street Superfans option is 7999 per month. Same way, the subscription to join Bull Street Superfans equity is 7999 per month. So you can remit the subscription, as I said. You can join immediately The August is waiting for investors and traders, so we can make ourselves comfortable with the August month series. We can report a great profit in the month of August and on. So please subscribe to Superfans. And another one is, I would like to mention one point, that I would like to give away an announcement that we do not have any trading activities, we do not have any trading tips activities, we do not have any premium activities in Telegram. So beware of fact people at Telegram who are reflecting our name. Thank you very much.